Hello, this is VUEROID. This is an instructional video on how to proceed with Initialize and Factory Reset on the VUEROID S1 device, and we will look into each of the two methods. First, this is the method to proceed when your S1 is powered on and operating normally. If the LCD is turned off, please press one of the buttons other than the Confirm button located in the middle to turn on the LCD. Press the Setting button to enter the settings. Use the Down button to go down to the system, and then press the Confirm to select it. If you move to page 3 using the Down button again, you can check the initialization. Select Initialization using the Confirm button. Once you enter the initialization, two items will appear: Initialize and Factory Reset. Initialize is a function where the footage and data stored on the device are maintained as they are, and only the settings of the device are initialized. Factory Reset is a function where all information, including stored footage and data, is deleted, and the device's settings are also initialized together to return it to the exact same state as when you first purchased the product. You can select the item you want according to your situation. Second, we will look into how to proceed with Initialize or Factory Reset in cases where you cannot enter the settings menu. While the power cable is connected and the power is completely turned off, please keep the Setting button and the Wi-Fi button pressed. While continuing to hold down these two buttons, please turn on the power switch. Then, the blue booting screen will appear, and if you continue to press the two buttons in this state, you will enter the same menu as the Initialize and Factory Reset screen that was guided earlier. What you need to be aware of using this method is that you must keep pressing the Setting button and Wi-Fi button pressed together until you completely enter the Initialize and Factory Reset screen. Otherwise, your S1 device will start driving recording as usual, so please pay special attention. If you have successfully entered this menu, you can select the item you need and proceed.